Hello, terrific teachers. Now you have added all of your students to BoomWriter and they are about to log in for the first time. So we are going to use Matilda from the previous screencast, and I'm going to show you what it's going to look like when she logs in, because it can be kind of a process, more than usual. So I'm going to show you guys so you'll understand what to do with your students. So all of the students will be at regular Boomwriter.com, and their screen will look like this. So have them go up to the corner, click Login Students. Now, when they get to this screen, this part will be empty. Let me take that away. And they are not going to put anything here or here. Remember that login code that I said that you must remember? They're going to use that. Now, every student gets issued a unique login code. I'm not quite sure why, and it adds another step to the setup process. However, that login code is technically not their password yet. It's just a login code to show that they are signed up with a teacher. So on this screen, they're going to click Use Login Code. So you're going to click that. They will put their username. So Matilda's username was her first name and last name. What is her name? Wormwood. Remember, at Boomwriter.com. They have to put at Boomwriter.com or it is not going to work. And it's going to tell them that they're wrong, and then they're going to tell you, but I did it right, when they really didn't do it right. They have to put the whole thing. And then I remember on the code that I put on an index card, her code was RZAGUV. And remember, every student is going to have a different code. So they put in their username, their code, they click login, and it'll come up to this screen. Now, here is where each teacher is different. I had my students, everybody had the same password, and the password was writers. So you can either predetermine their password or they can make up their own password, but they're going to have to keep up with it. So it just depends on your class and how you would like to manage that. So I'm going to pretend that my teacher already gave me the password that I need to use, and I am going to write it in. It's okay if it says very weak. It's all right. So they do this. They type the password once, type it again, and set my password. And then I don't want to save it. And then their screen is going to look like this. And so this is their dash home screen. So they have a little alien looking avatar. And then eventually when you start to add stories and assignments, they will see the assignments here. And they'll see everything that's active, completed, etc. So Matilda is done. She is ready to start writing, and you are ready to give her an assignment. So if you stay tuned, the next screencast is going to show you how to add story writers to your students and how to send that out. So stay tuned.